Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Run some wood. Please. Just a little bit.
Oosh.
Fucker.
So 8 a.m. we are starting from Pinthor Langten. Again hiking towards the Umngot river valley. The name of this village is
Pinthor Langten.
Pinthor Langten. Yeah. We start from
Yeah,
here.
you can try this.
Yeah.
It goes to the right.
Yeah,
And
you
then
go
crosses.
straight.
Yes. Now the big village of Pinthor Langten is some 7-8 kilometers from the town of Jawai. We were lucky to hitchhike this part in a car, and then we started hiking from the roadhead. We're mostly going through farmlands. Yeah, so we see the trail, but we can understand that no one's using it. Now we have started walking from Jawai, which is in the West Hills, and we are going back towards the East Khasi Hills. So we'll cross Umngot again today itself, very soon, and then we are making our way towards the towns of Pinarsula and Cherrapunji. So one big traverse has been done. It's Smith to Jawai. There's some 50 kilometers of trails that can be done, and I divided them into smaller day hikes that you can do as a beginner. Trails are all mapped, so you'll get them on the offline navigation apps. Also, do check out the video description. I have given the link to the Gpx files of all the trails. All in all, we had some amazing network. Geo works pretty well as compared to Airtel. This village, Mushikia.
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 Shop?
Nice.
There's a shop too.
Shop?
Yeah.
Shop. Oh, no.
No?
A lot of kids here.
Yes. People are quite surprised to see us. But yeah, always a positive response. First confused and then a smile changes everything. Picking up a trail now. We'll go down the path that will take us to the river, the Umngot river, and then we'll be in Khasi again. We definitely see something quite promising on the other side, where you see this trail is not being used by the people, but I guess this is what trekking is about: finding your way using some sort of a reference as a map, but then figuring out how things are changing with time. What are the trails which are still in use? They'll definitely have a purpose, and then when there is no purpose, people don't walk there anymore. But then getting lost here and there once in a while is where I've learned most of the things when it comes to trekking and hiking. Woohoo! Yoo-hoo! Made it to Umngot again. Whew. Nice.
The pools are very nice there. Very cool.
Oh, careful. So this is how beautiful the river looks like. Woohoo! Yeah. You can see the water is quite deep here. Would love to jump in. Yeah. Nice. Ah, we found a little souvenir in the forest. Yeah, so this was not a bow. It was a trap, and I think I heard the sound. It just snapped. This part, this part came off from this thing. So he made like a concave structure.
The animal would go down in that hole. See that at the bottom?
Yes.
Right there's a little hole.
Uh-huh.
You put all the branches that the animal
Yes,
has to
yes,
go
yes.
through
There.
Yeah.
It would snap. It's quite a solid climb, straight up 300 meters, and happy to be able to deduce the clues and find this beautiful path. It would be so nice. I would be so happy to put this on the trail network. And we're on that hill. A lot of chopped wood. I think this will turn into this. That's what's happening. Huh?
You said squirrel.
What?
Oh, you said squirrel or not?
Sorry.
Chụp phốc đấy mà nó đần thẳng. Chụp phốc bên đần thẳng.
How many baby you have?
Zero. Zero. Travel. No baby. You have baby?
Yes.
Oh,
I have one.
one baby. Boy?
Boy, yes, boy.
So football. Ronaldo or Messi?
Messi, I'm a big fan of Messi.
Brought us to his house. Yup. Have a small mirror. Super functional.
Perfect height.
You eat rice.
Yeah, we eat. But
We go eat in
we go
Syntung.
we go eat in shop, no problem. You make the house? No. He came here after marriage.
Yeah. So her parents made the house, right?
Your parents.
Yes.
Her parents,
Her parents? Your wife's
Yeah.
father make the
yeah.
house?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
And they live here?
Huh?
Her parents? Her father?
No. Only me, son, and
Okay, wife. Oh.
it's me. That Oparola. I make the house.
Okay, he made a house which is up there.
So this is for only
Temporary.
Temporary.
Okay. This design is awesome.
Yeah.
So the fire heats everything on top, and so the wood can dry on top.
Yeah.
Oh no. One version.
It's awesome. Really awesome.
And I think even the clothes can dry.
Yeah, the clothes. Yeah.
Beautiful kitchen. Woo! Nice.
So, rice? To bring the rice? So rice is down in the valley?
In the valley.
Ah.
2001 we born for me, and we
Okay.
get married 2031 or 2021.
There is no school here?
Class 1 to class 8.
Then after that? You go to Syntung?
Shillong.
Oh,
wow.
okay, okay.
My son here is sleeping.
Oh,
That bed. 7 months.
7 months. Oh. What's his name? His name? Jeff?
Mensong title.
Okay, Jeff Mensong. Oh, nice. Your wife's name?
Mensong.
Mensong.
Love you, my Mensong.
Okay, okay.
Love you, my Mensong.
Love your mind, Mensong.
Love your mind.
You play morning, evening?
The whole day.
Whole day?
Many teams we have.
Oh, you play team.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You know Khasi?
Very little. Very little Khasi.
Where are you from?
I am from Rajasthan. You know Rajasthan?
And you?
Canada.
Canada.
Very nice. Thank you.
You're stronger to move by the foot, no?
Yeah. Banana.
You cook it by yourself, the food. The food you
No. We get food in village.
You sure Rajasthan?
No.
Rajasthan picture.
No, I don't have Rajasthan.
I think I have Rajasthan
You have
picture.
Rajasthan picture? Oh.
Maybe.
Oh.
2017.
No.
Where is it? Go is.
Lay. Bleshibun. Bye bye. Thank you so much. 12. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ooh, cold. We are on our way to Syntung. Some 3 kilometers up. What a beautiful bridge. Again, the water is so clear. Wow. Yeah, so the Survey of India mentions this section as stony waste, and the trail goes right through it. A unique color to the stones, pink. Hello. Yeah. These are the bamboo dustbins placed all along the trail. So this is how the falls look like in the month of January. So now we are on the top, level 1. You see more waterfalls here. You can see the water is extremely clear. So beautiful. You see a good amount of tadpoles in the water. Very pretty. The water feels like mirror. So that's where we were, and then see there's another step, waterfall here, and then finally there's another one right there with a big beautiful pool. So I think this is the parking lot. This is Rashi Waterfalls tourism complex maintained by the Syntung village Darbar. So we took some Maggie, we took some biscuits, and I think that's all for dinner tonight. And the next big town where we could get something would be Peninsula.
Yeah, 15 or 16 kilometers.
Straight line.
Straight line. So longer for sure.
Yeah. So let's
We'll
see.
arrive there tomorrow.
Yeah. Hello. We'll hike for another 500 meters and you know, we would quickly get the camp ready. Yeah, so we are done with the day. 4:40 p.m. This is where we would want to camp. But today, since we have to boil water in order to eat the kappa noodles, we will quickly collect wood before it becomes too dark.
That'll do, eh? Not too close to the fire.
So we'll have to boil the water for the noodles. Once you have the embers, you can put the utensil on them. So Friday 6 p.m. you can hear the sound coming from the church.
Reminds me of my youth days, singing at church. It's probably not a Catholic church.
Okay.
So usually there's like a band in the front, and they make music. And everyone stands and sings. The important is the words of the song are about Jesus and everything. So everyone sings together, and usually this would last 1 hour of singing, and then 1 hour where we would sit and the pastor would preach, but he would talk about what he would want us to know for that week and tell us stories of the Bible, and then after that there would be a little bit more music, and then it would be the end of Mass.
Yeah, so the Maggie is ready. Take 2 minutes, I guess, after pouring the hot water. And I guess this is for the very first time that I'm eating Maggie on trail. But there was no food option. Nothing at all, just biscuits.